Just wild weather.
Well, quite a system tracking, of course, to our south. And once again, we had some snow to our north, snow to our south. Right here, though, not a lot of winter weather. We saw another quick hit of snow overnight, just a few light snow showers, but it did stick to some of the yards. If you're waking up this morning, you check out outside, you may see a light dusting on some of the grass. There's a live view from Perryville, and you can see the snow that is on top of the car windshield there. So once again, if you park outside, allow yourself some time to scrape off the windshield. Those winds are out of the north and west this morning, ushering in some much colder weather. It is going to be a gray winter day. Right now, 33 degrees there at the Perryville Airport, of course, sitting right across the river from Chester, and a pretty gray, blustery afternoon. Temperatures will struggle to get out of the mid-30s. Wind chills still running below freezing through a good part of the day today as well. Tomorrow will be the warmest day of the week. We look ahead to Wednesday, though. That's our next chance for a little bit of wet weather. May briefly change over to some snow as that system begins to wrap up, and not expecting big impacts this week from any type of weather. Later on this week, though, some very cold weather returns back into our neck of the woods. Upper 20s, lower 30s across much of southern Illinois. Some mid 30s out across parts of southeast Missouri. Once again, some light snow falling across parts of southern Illinois overnight. 29 right now in Mount Vernon. We've got 31 in Harrisburg, 32 at this hour in Carbondale. You factor in that breeze, though, and wind chills are back in the upper teens and the lower 20s. So once again, bundle up this morning. 21 is what it feels like in Mount Vernon. There's that big storm system, and behind it, a little secondary wave here bringing us some snow overnight, and now that moving through parts of Kentucky and eastern parts of Tennessee. That is moving away from us. High pressure now building in from the west. That will keep things pretty quiet through this afternoon. But again, the clouds will be very slow to clear. Mid to upper 30s for high temperatures in southern Illinois. Lower 40s across the Missouri boot heel, but you factor in that breeze, which will stay out of the north and west today, and wind chills will be running into the upper 20s. Overnight tonight, we'll drop back mid to upper 20s, and waking up quite a bit of sunshine on Tuesday. By Tuesday afternoon, more clouds move in, but winds out of the south Tuesday push temperatures up to about 50 degrees. So a nice little break as we make our way towards Tuesday afternoon. Enjoy it because, well, another big dip in the jet stream arrives later on this week, Thursday and Friday. And our temperatures begin to fall with that as well. 37 today, 50 on Tuesday, 42 on Wednesday. That 42 Wednesday comes in the morning. We'll see falling temperatures as the next cold front moves through, and these are afternoon highs, 22 by Thursday and only 29 on Friday afternoon. And talking about that next system comes in here on Wednesday. Pretty good chance we're going to see quite a bit of wet weather with this, but you'll see as some of the colder air begins to work its way in late Wednesday afternoon. We may see a brief switch over to some light snow. Not anticipating much in the way of accumulation or anything like that at this point. But make sure you've got that Storm Track 3 app and staying up to date with the latest forecast. Wednesday really is our best chance for any type of wet weather this week. Falling temperatures through the afternoon hours on Wednesday, and then we look ahead to Thursday and Friday. Just downright cold. Morning temperatures running about 10, afternoon highs in the 20s. We'll bounce back this weekend, climbing back above freezing on Saturday, back in the mid to upper 30s, and we'll climb back in the 40s towards the second half of the weekend. But the second half here of January is looking like it may go in the books below average.
You know, I was taking a look at the week ahead and I was like, oh, good grief.
Winter, right? It has arrived.
I'm not going to complain about 30s anymore.
Hey, well, at least there's no snow. That's my opinion. I know there's some snow lovers that were disappointed, but I'm happy that it ended up not working out.
All right, I appreciate that, Nick. Well, we got to wish